For the communications department, I use the drone a lot. We use it to document what's going on in town. We want to show residents, hey, this is happening. Here's what it looks like, maybe from above with a big, pretty, wide sweeping shot. Something like homecoming or the Memorial Day parade. And I can show the entire west downtown. I can show an entire mural from up high, different construction projects. From the ground, you might not appreciate it until you get 200, 300 feet up, and you can really see the scale or the vastness of things. And we want to show people from up high, this is what it looks like while the project is going on, and here it is after this investment in time and money.
The Dearborn Police Department was one of the first departments in the state of Michigan to adopt a drone program, and so we have a number of different drones of different sizes for different uses.
When we go to a scene, when we log into the drone, it sends out an email to our drone team and the command staff. They're able to log into that and get a live feed of the drone. And if you have more eyes watching what's going on, somebody might catch something that they see that you might not see. We have a smaller drone that's sent inside houses, that's able to go in smaller spaces, so we do have that drone. The other drones are just used for exterior.
Being able to have this is a huge asset. We use it for anything from search and rescue missions, surveillance. We help the fire department with the thermal camera. If we have a neighborhood that's been having a string of people breaking into cars, we're able to fly at night in the neighborhoods, looking up and down the streets in backyards for people that are tugging on door handles. The camera has 64x zoom. From here at Ford Field in Dearborn, we're able to see downtown Detroit. We can actually see the Renaissance building.